How to make Opera GX default browser on phone. So let's get started.
Alright, to make Opera GX your default browser on your phone, you want to go into your settings. So even if you're in Android, you can basically do the same thing. So first method is that you want to go into the search settings and type in default and see if you have any default apps option on your phone, especially if you're in Android. So if you have that, you want to check that out and make Opera GX your default browser there. If not, then you can do this. Go into the app section on your settings right here. And basically, if you're in Android, do the same thing. If you have this default apps option, just like this one in iPhone, you could just tap on it right here and go into browser app and just select Opera GX. But in my case, I just want to go into Safari for this one. And next method. You could also go for the Opera GX app right here. You want to open that app, which is right here. Tap on it. And from here, you can see the default browser app right here. You want to tap on it again. So again, it might also be the same thing with Android because it would actually depend on the brand of the manufacturer of the Android phone that you're using. But if it's an iPhone, you can just do this. Go here into Opera GX. And yeah, just try it out in Android and you might have the same option right here. So you should have one of this method work for you if you're in Android. So that's it on this video on how you'd be able to make your Opera GX your default browser for your phone. Thank you for watching.